Good day. Please introduce yourself.
Good day, ma'am. I'm Carol Sherilyn, 25 years of age. I'm single, no kids, and I graduated Bachelor of Science in Hospitality Management.
Why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
I want to work in Hong Kong, ma'am, because Hong Kong is a safe country and high salary, and I want to help my family in a property situation.
Do you have work experience as domestic helper?
Yes, ma'am.
In which country?
In the Philippines.
For how many years?
For 4 years,
Tell me your duties and responsibilities here in Philippines.
my duties and responsibility in the Philippines, ma'am, is cooking, washing dishes, washing clothes, then gardening, then feeding pigs.
Did you take care of baby child elderly?
Yes, ma'am.
How months old?
11 months, ma'am.
Alright. What are your skills?
My skills, ma'am, is taking about the baby, then feeding, then teaching her in nursery, songs.
Alright. What are the traits of a good domestic helper?
The traits of being a domestic helper, ma'am, is trustworthy, then hardworking.
Lastly, what is your message to your future employer?
Hi, ma'am and sir. You should hire me because I'm a self-motivated, hardworking, with positive attitude towards my work and my life and my career. And see you soon in Hong Kong. Thank you.